Now look closely. Closed by multiple layers of paper. These layers surround the whole nest and act as insulation, keeping the nest warm when the weather gets cold. Some strange brown tubes are peeking out of the nest. This is very strange. These were not made by the insect that created this nest. They were made by an invader.
Invader?
A little bit more to get a better look. There's more of them. They look like they're made out of mud. Let's take them off and put them.
So kay early pa man may picture-picture sa midang dapita no. Kaya itong ni Agi, si Matias man iyang kasi na picture-picture din dapita. Yang Ezekiel, action ang pangluod, gusto siya picture ni Matias. Yang Inding karon nagtago sa likod niya. Oh, ang mga smile ani parta mga hilawa. Ay, struggle is real pag picture slide.
Listen ka sa quotes. Look at him. Listen na siya eh.
Good job. Good job.
Kick it! Kick it! Kick! It's like, oh, I just need to stop. Funny.
Let's get it!
Nice.
Woohoo! Regarding that.
I want it to be this role, obviously. I want to ask him, like, we should see what the I-9 basketball is like. He plays so much
Let's go.
basketball, the kid does.
It's the same game. You can't take the ball.
Matias! Matias!
I don't think that's the same thing I-9.
Matias, watch out the ball!
Good job, Eli. Come right and shoot. Oh, it helps. Yeah, it does. I like the way
Matias, the
Now,
ball!
pull it
Bato- Go get the ball!
Go across, take it out and around. Cut across, shoot it.
Very
I never
unique.
knew I wanted to be an uncle my whole life. That's all that was missing. Hey, did Spider-Man still your favorite superhero?
Go, buddy.
Yeah.
Spider-Man? Yeah, still?
Do you know mine? Thanos. Oh. Oh. He's a bad guy.
There we go.
Sit down to one thing and it's right there.
Hey.
Start and stop. Now cut. There you go.
Good stop.
Go, Austin. Say honey, Marky. Get it, Austin. That's your goal.
Go kick it!
Nice. 3-1. He thought it was a goal. So he was waiting.
Matias, the defender. Up. Paxton get the ball. Got it. Woohoo! Matias. Good job. Go get it. Yup. See, at least I get now.
Let's go, Eli.
Matias.
Cut left. Cut left.
Up. Did it. Up.
Freight brokerage. Control it. Control it.
Matias, get the ball. Oh. Man. Ball. Go get it. Oi. Nice. Nice.
Doing a lot better.
Yep. He's very good in kicking. Getting the ball. Matias, get the ball. Up.
Good job. Nice.
Up, you get it, Matias. Oy.
That's a nice pass.
Up. Oh, good.
Go, buddy, go! Nice. Keep going, Austin. Stop. Eli.
Matias.
Go.
He's mean.
There you go. Go, go, go.
Matias, you get it. Oh.
Because at least.
Good.
A little bit. Pass it up, pass it up, pass it up. There you go. Good pass. Good pass.
Don't let him.
But, yep.
Oy. Good. Up. Oy. That's good.
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright. It's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart. Doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much
Thank you
love.
for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.